So, wow, you
Salamat
have,
po.
okay. So, magtagalog na lang tayo. Meron kang bandera ng Pilipinas. I mean, your Tagalog level. So, kamusta? Ano ang pangalan mo?
Mabuti. First of all, ako si Faisal.
So, saan ka nakatira?
Nakatira ko sa Jeddah.
Jeddah, okay. So, may I know what your native language? What is your native language?
Is Bengali.
Yes, because you're from Bangladesh, right? So, Bengali. Masaya.
Yes.
Masaya akong makilala ka. Oh, what is why in Tagalog?
Bakit? Bakit?
Okay.
Is why.
Oh, what about where?
Where, I think, saan?
Yes. Who? Okay, when in Tagalog is kailan. When is your birthday? Kailan ang iyong kaarawan?
Kailan?
Phrases, and you have to translate it in Tagalog. It's just good morning.
Magandang umaga.
No, ang galing. Good job. Good evening.
Good evening. Magandang gabi.
Yes, magandang gabi. Thank you.
Salamat.
Sorry.
Sorry, patawad.
Yes, patawad or pasensya, paumanhin. Yes, correct. Wow, perfect spelling. This one. May I ask question?
Yes.
Pwede ba akong magtanong? Kasi goodbye, take care.
Paalam, right? Goodbye, paalam.
Yes, pa. That's right. So after the class, I will send you some link. You can take a look on it and you can review it. Okay. So because
Maraming salamat po.
walang anuman. What is the Tagalog for house? Something like that.
House is bahay, right?
Oh, yes, that's right. It is an easy quiz. Don't worry. Don't feel pressure. I want you to answer this quiz correctly. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. I will read the question and just choose the correct answer.
Okay.
Okay, what is the correct translation for telephone? Payong, tubig, bisikleta, telepono.
Telepono.
Yes, correct. Next one. What is the correct translation for please? Kaliwa, pwede ba, paumanhin, kamusta? Kaliwa, pwede ba? Okay, paki. And pwede ba, it means you are asking permission, please. Pwede ba?
Okay.
Yes. So the answer here is pwede ba. Okay, the next one. Kaliwa in English is left.
Left. Okay.
Yes. So left. So the answer is letter C.
C. Yeah.
Okay. So what is the correct translation for right? Right. Kaliwa is left and right is A. Tatlo, B. Tren, C. Kanan, D. Kaliwa.
Kanan, maybe?
Yes, correct. It's kanan. Kanan, kaliwa. Okay, the next one. How do you say water? Pinggan, mangkok, tubig, gatas. Water.
Too big?
Yes, correct. It's too big. Okay, which picture shows gatas? You know what gatas in English? Oh, we're done. Okay. What's all based on how much did you enjoy the quiz? 5%? I don't know if you really enjoyed.
Yeah. No, I really enjoyed.
Okay, at least I shared some new
What
vocabulary.
do you think my level? Of
For
course,
me,
beginner. Beginner, of course.
no, you're not a beginner. I guess you are an intermediate student. You're not a beginner. Yes,
Yeah.
because if you are a beginner, Faisal, you can be able to understand even the basic words or like even the basic phrases, phrases. But don't worry, I feel surprised too that you can be able to understand and to translate some English words to Tagalog words or Tagalog words to English word.
Because Spanish helps me a lot. That's why.
Yes. I hope that in our next meeting together, I hope we practice more and how to conjugate the mug, nug, the verb using the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense. Do you already know how to conjugate that?
No.
I will ask you some Tagalog question. Nakapunta ka na ba dito sa Pilipinas?
Hindi pa po.
Okay. Pero gusto mo ba?
Opo.
Maganda dito. Maganda. It is a beautiful country. You will enjoy everything here. Magiging masaya ka. You will feel happy here, staying here in the Philippines. And once you get here, and you already know how to speak Tagalog, people, Filipino will amaze. Wow, you speak Tagalog. Even it's your first time here in the Philippines.
No, sana all.
Sana all. Sana all is a common expression. It is a common expression. Sana all. It means I hope everything's like you. That you are in a good situation, it's a stable life. Sana all. But it is an informal expression, okay?
Okay.
But most of the Filipino here in the Philippines know that expression. Oh, sana all. For example, you travel abroad, and I will say, oh, sana all. It means I hope me too can travel abroad.
Okay.
Okay. So Faisal, after this class, I will send you the link of the mug and nug verse. So take a look on it and next time. And I want you to use it in a sentence. I want you to formulate a sentence after I explain it to you. And or if you have an advanced review, if you want to review it in advance, it's a great idea and a big help for you to practice. Yes. Don't worry, there it has a complete details. May mga tanong ka pa ba sa akin?
Yeah, I want to know about YouTube channels where I can learn like modern.
So you
I
have to
remember
watch it again.
they played golf, then it
Yeah,
rained. Yeah.
yeah. Okay, I will send it later and you have to watch it in Tagalog. So you will encounter Tagalog words there. And if there is a strange Tagalog word, you can write it. Then you can ask me, hey Sarah, what's the meaning of this word?
Of course.
Okay. So thank you, Faisal. Thank you for having a lesson with me. I really enjoyed talking
Walang
to you.
ano man.
Wow. Salamat at hanggang sa muli. Ingat. Ingat po.
Ingat po.
Ingat din po. Paalam, Faisal.
Salamat. Maraming salamat.